Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be bringing you a colorful summer makeup tutorial that is as extra as can be with these studs. And if you want to see how to accomplish this look, just keep on watching. So I already have my base on because I just filmed a light semi-natural makeup tutorial for the summer. And then to me it's just a huge waste removing makeup that you just put on, and I'm not making bank yet, so I ain't gonna remove it. And plus what I put on my face is perfect anyway for this look, so if you wanted to see me using the actual products, just go ahead and watch my natural makeup tutorial for the summer. But I'll let you know right now which products I used for my face. I used the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Wear Foundation, and then I used the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer. And then I went in with the Paaarty Princess Contour Palette. And for my highlighter today, I used Amrezy. And I'm popping. And I used a Tarte blush called Party. But then you can go ahead and check out my previous video and see it. So, but for the eyes today, yes, I'm filming 2 videos in one day. Hey, your girl's got to get it together. So I'm going to be going in with the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. And then as my base, I'm using the NYX concealer, and I'm going to be leaving a blank space in the middle of my eye. So I'm going to go in with one shade from the My Little Pony palette, which is the shade Rarity, because it's purest white. I'm putting that white on there because, like I said, I'm going to leave an empty space in the middle. I won't be cutting the crease or anything. It's just going to be a little blank spot, but there'll be color around it, obviously. I'm semi-scared for eyeshadow today because I normally always do my eyes first before my base because of fallout. But since I didn't want to erase my base today, and I didn't want to redo it definitely because extra work. And I just applied it so beautifully, so then I'm scared for fallout, but prayers for my soul. Okay, so first from the Ultimate Brights palette, I'm going to be going in with this blue. And I'm going to put it right there, right here in the inner corner and semi into the crease. I definitely will be tapping the excess product off because I don't want fallout. And I'm just using a brush from Victoria's Secret. I got this from my friend in 6th grade, so I've been using old brushes, but they work. And they're not even brand brushes. Well, Victoria's Secret is a brand, but they're not known for their makeup brushes. They're known from their clothing. So I'm just going to be first packing that color on, and then I'm going to do circular motions to blend and distribute the color, and also windshield wiper motion. So now that I got that blue, before I apply the next color, I like to go in with this brush I got for my sister from Christmas. Just came with a random brush set. I don't even know the brand, but I just like to keep this clean. The only reason it has color is because of the previous color, but it's wiped off. It's just kind of semi-stained, but it comes off and changes to the other color when I use it. So then I just go right above at the very top and just go back and forth like that to eliminate harsh edges. And it's always good to blend the previous color before you put the next one, just because it helps it to transition better. So now for the next color, I'm going to be going in with the purple in the crease only. So now that I've got that purple in there, I'm going to be going back in with the same blue just to blend the colors. So far, there is no fallout. Thank you, Jesus. Because I've been so extra careful. Back in with some of the purple. So now I'm going to do what I previously did with the clean brush with no product on it and just blend out those harsh edges. Now I'm going to go in with this bright pink on the outer corner. Doing the same steps as before, where you pack on that pink, pack it on, and then blend by doing circular motions. especially when you do have it, when it meets the other color, you want to semi-pat and do some circular motions to have a seamless blend. So now that I have all that color on, before I finish blending out the harsh edges, I'm going to go back in with that white. Just because, see, I already left that blank spot, but just to make sure it's like a bit more blended, I'm going to go back in with that white so it can be more poppin'. And then now I'm going to go back over all of the colors just like I did before, how I applied it, and then blend out those edges. I'm gonna go in with the red, just like at the very end right here, just to add one more little color, just a little bit of red on the very end right here. Still gonna be majority pink. I just wanted that one little touch of red right here. I'm gonna go back in with that pink I used right there. Make sure I didn't lose the pink. And then next, I'm going to be popping on these lashes by Athena Lash Co. in the style Iris. Sadly, they've been discontinued, but you should check out their other lashes because they are bomb and only like $10. And I'll be applying it with the Kiss strip lash adhesive. This is such a good eyelash glue that you can get from Walgreens. Like, once I put these lashes on, they don't come off, honey, until I take them off, and that's what I want. Now that I got those lashes popped on, I went ahead underneath my eye and popped on the same colors that I used at the very top. I love these lashes so much. But yeah, okay, so my extra self isn't done here. I'm going to go in with studs. What I use basically is a tweezer to apply them, and then eyelash glue. It has a little stick, luckily. And for the big ones, I don't even need to use tweezers to apply them. So I'm just gonna grab the big stud, and I can't tell you where I got these because they're so random and I have no idea myself. I can't remember. Please tell me that's the middle. The struggle boat, yes. And I just press on it and push down, and then voila. I'm going to go in with a medium size one right underneath. It's a shame it's not exactly above that new member of the family that you can kind of see, but kind of not see on camera, thankfully. And then it's the baby ones that give you the trouble. I'm going to go in with a very small stud, and I have to use tweezers to apply this one. See what I mean? It literally just fell out of my tweezer, so now I gotta grab another one because I'm too lazy to look for it. It's a pain in the butt applying studs, but it's worth it. It's worth it once you get it on. Yes! Yes! I got it on! As if I don't have enough studs. I'm going to go in with two right here. Lastly, now that I got that, I'm going to go back in with the Umrizi highlighter that I used. And I'm going to pop that in the inner corner. Highlight the brow bone. I'm going to go in with the Ofra Long Lasting IPSY Unzipped lipstick because it's just perfect for this eye look because of the pink and the purple, and this is like a pink and purple mixed together, and I'm gonna put that right over. And that is the finished looks, guys. And then I would spray it, but I don't want to waste it. This sounds so bad. It's not wasting it using it on the video, but I'm not going anywhere today, so I normally will set it with the Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray Oil Control. And then when I first did this look, I wore my pink wig with it, and it was just poppin'. So this is the look with my pink wig. It's absolutely perfect. Sorry that I keep moving my arms. I am a very big hand gesture person. But anyways, this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this colorful summer makeup tutorial. And I hope you enjoyed my other video of the natural makeup tutorial. Check that out if you haven't already. I will be trying to come up with more new videos to film and post. I'm definitely going to do a like back to school makeup tutorial, even though, well, actually I am going to school. Guys, I am starting beauty school this August, next month. August 14th. Wish me luck at Paul Mitchell. I'm so excited to be licensed and to get my career started. I'm gonna slay the game. I already am. That's the confidence you gotta have when it comes to dreams, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I love you guys.
We vibing, counting down. Even when it's raining down. Can't stop now. Can't stop, so shut your mouth.